if you want to build a RAG based application, then you are supposed to use document loaders. Now what are document loaders? They are the components of LangChain that loads the data, as the name suggests, document loader. Now you see what can happen. Your data can be in PDF format, it can be in text format, it can be in database, or it can be in cloud, or there are n number of sources. So first what you can do, with the help of document loader, you can load all this data into a memory. And also document loader, what it does, it loads the data into a common format, or you can say a standardized format. Now what is this common format? This common format is list of document objects. So whatever kind of data you are loading using the document loader, that data will be stored into list of document objects. What do you mean by list of document objects? So a list will be created where you will be having a document object 1, then document object 2, and so on. So like this, a list will be created where you have multiple document objects. Now what does this document object have? This I have written. So a document object has page content and metadata. So page content is actual text that the file has, and it also has metadata, which is the extra information about the source, like file name, or from which URL you are extracting the data, or the page number, etc. So this is a document which has a page content and the metadata. So page content, as I have told you, it is actual text content, so that will be going to have the actual data, and the metadata will be having the information like source, the file name, when the file was last modified, what is a page number of a file. So this kind of information metadata will have. So now if I summarize what document loader can do, document loader can load the data from various sources into the memory in the standardized format. And what is this standardized format? It is list of document objects. There are n number of document loaders present in LangChain. I will discuss few important document loaders, like text loader, which can load the text data. PyPDF loader can load the data from the PDF file. Then you have directory loader. So if you want to load multiple files from a folder, then directly loader can be used. Then web-based loader, if you pass a URL of a particular web page, then you can load the data of that particular web page. Then CSV loader, it can load the data from a CSV file. So all these loaders I will be going to discuss in next videos.